Hello everyone. In this I'm going to be teaching you how to write a C code and compile it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so writing a C code and compiling it is really important for a Linux user. And that's why I'm going to show you how to write a basic C code, compile it, and run it. Okay, so the first thing that we need is a C compiler. So let's uh, use this command apt install, and I'm going to install GCC. Yes. Okay, so right now the compiler is being installed, and so right now you may say, well, I'm not sure if the compiler is installed. So this is the command that you need to enter to confirm. gcc-v, and as you can see, we have a version. Or you can also type gcc version. Okay. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is write a basic C code. Okay, so you need the VI compiler. I'm sorry, the VI text editor. Okay, so you need the VI text editor to edit the text file because C code is essentially a text format. So let me type vim my C code.c. So you need a header file, and this is how you would include it. Include stdio.h, and then I'm going to type int main, then I'm going to return 0, and I am going to make a C code course in the future and explain to you what all of these mean. Okay, so now let's type puts hello world. Okay, let's see. So that's all it is, and now I'm going to save this file, and now I'm going to ls to see what files are in my directory, and I'm going to type gcc my c code.c -o, and I'm just going to type my code, and if I do ls, you see that the executable has been created, and if I do ls-l, you can see that this is already an executable code. And just to show you what a binary code looks like that only the computer can read, not the programmer or any other user, let me do a cat for my code. As you can see, this is not readable by humans. Let's clear the screen, and now the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and show you how you can actually view your C code using different ways. So one way would be to just cat my C code.c, and you would just see your C code basically. Okay, and if you want to edit your C code, just type vim my C code.c, and you can edit your code any way you want. Okay. So let's go ahead and exit out. And that's basically it on how to install the compiler, write a C code, compile it, and run it. Okay, so this is a really essential skill for Linux administrators. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.